Well, hey everyone. Happy Wednesday evening over at QVC, getting ready for the big In the Kitchen with David 2-hour show. But we have so much so many fun things going on over at QVC. It's amazing. So just to fill you in on some of the things, we are sharing Get Cooking with Temp-Tations here on QVC. It kicked off today and it runs until Monday at 11:59 p.m. And there's over 77 sale price items. So if you go onto QVC.com, you go to the Temp-Tations homepage, you can actually see there's a little container that talks about the sale pricing, which is amazing. So it's our Get Cooking event. Hey, Angela. Hey, Marsha. We have lots of fun stuff coming up this whole week, including a 1-hour show on Saturday on QVC2 with Lisa and Rosina. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. We have a today's bonus buy over at QVC. Have you guys seen them? They're these stoneware stacking trays, and they're awesome. You can use them to put your they're like raised risers as an example. So you can put your bakeware on there. Hey, Lynette. Hey, Cheryl. Hi, Jason. Barbara's watching. Margot's saying hi. Where's everybody checking in from? Let me know. We have a lot of fun stuff going on over here at QVC. I was just talking about our Get Cooking event. Ed and I are going to do a live stream. That's my husband on Friday at 2 p.m. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. The easiest way to do it, we usually put a link over on our Facebook page that you can click into and join. But we're going to be chatting with you guys. It's Friends and Family Weekend. So we're going to be talking about how the brand started, everything that's kind of happened, how we started. I look beautiful. Angel, aren't you an angel? See what I did there? Thank you. I'm working on this hair. I don't know. It's a work in progress, but thank you very much. Annette is here, and Blair's here, Marianne's here. We have 2 brand new items in the Kitchen with David tonight. 2 of them that you have never seen. One is a one-time only value. It kicks off right at 8 p.m. Let's talk wine stoppers, wine pourers. They're amazing. I'll show you those in just a minute. We have a beautiful cart. Look at this, you guys. I am so in love. I actually can't stand it. A 3-tier cart. Each shelf holds 17 pounds. It's beautiful, powder coated, so you can bring it outside. Don't leave it outside unless you have a covered porch. But we did all great patterns, great colors. And I don't know about you guys, but I can always use some extra space. This is a must, you guys. And it's cute because I've been seeing many of you have been adding it into your cart, pun intended, today. Look what we did here. I love this, rolling this right out to your barbecue. So again, different things that you can use it for, and just a great way to save space. Laundry room, I am the biggest culprit of kind of chucking everything everywhere, and then I can't find it. So look at how sweet this is. And I love the idea of even putting this in like a guest room, maybe putting some towels and some toiletries there. We also did kind of your baking. Remember, 17 pounds a shelf. That's the KitchenAid Mini, so you know that'll hold it. And then I love that we kind of had all of the things that you would need for baking and for getting kitchen ready, or if you just needed some space. So patterns, we have black, we have blue. So that's that beautiful white cart with the blue. And then, of course, we have red. And then last but not least, we did it in doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. So really, really fun. I mean, look, we're getting ready. Here's a little sneak peek of everything that happens behind the scenes. By the way, you could just have crickets here because it's just me hanging out back here. All right, so that's the first item. The second item, check out this. This is not available until the start of the show. So you're going to get 8 wine stoppers, okay? I'm going to take one apart so that I probably should have done this ahead of time. I always do this. Okay, so each is a 2-piece system. They're all silicone. So this actually goes right into the wine. And then when you're ready to pour it, you're just going to go ahead and pop that flour out. Now you can get actually right into the wine. What we love about this is anytime you can directionally point wine, you're actually aerating it as well. So it's going to be a non-drip. So again, that's why I created it in kind of that heart shape. So no matter which way you're pouring, no worries. And then when you want to go ahead and seal it, you're going to go ahead and seal it. Just push that right down inside. And then the best part, look at this. Even if you lay it on its side, you're going to have no spills, no dripping. These are awesome. So if you have picked up that today's special value and you're thinking, I don't want these corks. Let's get rid of the corks. Look how beautiful. And they all come in a cute little color coordinated gift box or storage box, really. I kind of did it so if you wanted to tuck it in your drawer, that's perfect. Now, who puts a stopper in a wine bottle? Blair, exactly. You feel me. Who's ever used a wine stopper? All kidding aside. They're phenomenal, and I absolutely love them. So you're definitely going to want to check them out. I have a feeling they're going to be wildly popular. They are first up, and that item number is K52190. Like I said, they're not available to purchase until the top of the 8 p.m. And then we also have that cart. So I just saw many of you were asking for the cart. That is K82751, and that actually is available to purchase now. I saw that up on QVC.com this morning. So many fun things. Got you, gal. Totally. Oh, you get me. Carol's here and Marty's here. Emma's here. Let's see what everybody was saying while I was kind of showing everything. I love it. Patty's checking in. We kind of talked about the patterns. From Philly. Okay. Long Island's here. Love that. Linda's saying hi. My ADT camera thing is going off here, telling me that my husband is out walking one of the dogs. Hilarious. I keep hitting hearts and mad faces coming up. Annette, what did I say? What did I say? That's actually very funny. Cheryl's here. That's awesome. So, like I said, if you're just joining now, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. We have a Get Cooking Temptations event that is running like basically a week long. It kicked off today. Over 70 sale priced items. When you go to QVC.com, there's actually like a little box where you can click in and you can see all of the sale items. And they're amazing. And we have Friends and Family Weekend coming up this weekend. Lisa's going to have a 1-hour show where we're going to feature our today's bonus buy, which you are already loving. And these are those stoneware tiered trays. So you're definitely going to want to check those out, like elevated, putting your bakeware on it, putting food on it, whatever you want to do. They're awesome. So you're definitely going to want to check out the today's bonus buy. And then we are going to do a live stream, Ed and myself, on Friday. So we'll keep you posted on that in honor of Friends and Family. Ask us questions. Come on over. Like, we're going to talk about how the brand got started, kind of what's been going on for these 21 years. Cart number again, please. Colleen is K82751. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. So many fun things going on. So many great ways to share Temptations, which is awesome. And so many ways for us to connect with one another, whether here on Facebook, come check out our live stream, ask Ed and me some questions. And then 2 brand new items. Oh, I love Ed and you together on a live. Oh, thank you, Marty. I know we should do that more. Oh, since the beginning, Cheryl, I love that. Thank you. Colleen, thanks for putting the cart number in there. That's awesome. And so we have all this great stuff coming up, and we are getting ready for the big show. So I am going to run, but definitely make sure you check out QVC.com, 70 sale priced items. Friends and Family Weekend, live studio audience on Sunday. Lisa will be there, so definitely check that out for In the Kitchen with David. And so many fun things. And then I'll keep you posted on everything else that's going on this weekend. All right, adore you guys. Definitely check in. I got to run. See you guys in about 51 minutes. Top of the show. Love you guys. Bye.